Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. I have a special, and guys, I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, share my videos, and let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about on today's videos. And by watching my videos and ads, guys, that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official over here. So anyway, guys, on today's videos, I'm going to surprise my mason who are working on my borehole. So I'm doing it from my bottom of my heart. Nobody send me like do this for my mason. No. I'm doing it from my bottom of my heart. So actually, because I get water, so that's the kind of appreciation I want to appreciate them. And the money that I have, I want to share with them as the small amount, and then maybe this week they will come for the next payment. And actually, guys, so far so good, we get water, guys. Thank you so much by keep supporting me. Imagine a month like this, I have the borehole, and then next month maybe I will brought the blocks. I supposed to bring blocks this month, but you know what? I decided let me look for the water on the borehole. So you can't build like done construction at your home, no water. So I decided, oh guys, sorry. Oh my God. I decided let me have the water at my home, and which is my very privilege. So my mom right now having water, no more struggling, guys. And I take your comment seriously. There's one of my fan comment, now Hello Baby, it's time to look for the pump or motor, like to generate water from the ground. Man, things come on its time. So right now I'm just working how to get bricks and 3 bags of cement, steel bar, timber. I want to cement that borehole. You will see, by God's grace, you will see how things go. I'm telling you guys. And I'm just around at home right now here, and I keep waiting my mason. When they pull up at my home, immediately I'll take them to border town. Wow. So heading this way, straight. I just give you a nature walk as I keep waiting them. Wow. What a beautiful day, man. Imagine, guys, imagine. I'm so happy of myself. I'm so proud of myself. When we get to water, I'm so happy. Even right now, something disturbing me. Even right now, my my toilet, outside of my toilet will have water 24 hours. And to be honest, again, I heard on the comment section, now Hello Baby, you get water, it's time to take like the brew drum you put inside the toilet. I'll do it. But the crazy thing about in our village here, at night to have some thieves, so they can steal that stuff. So I need to look like the medium one to put inside the toilet, so I can fetch water every day, so my mama could able to use that toilet in a good way. Imagine right now, to take shower or to bed, it's simple, man, simple, because we have already water. So guys, I want to take you around going up to that way. So actually, I want to show you where my mama recently time fetching water. It's deep, like long distance. It's a walk distance from my home up to the river down there. So guys, I think I'll take you there as we keep pushing these videos. At the same time, I'm waiting my mason to come, or my engineer. You know, guys, me, I didn't understand. The person who dig the borehole is engineer or workers, whichever the case. But probably it's engineer, because that being said, it's engineer. They have some skills to dig the borehole. I'm telling you. Wow. So this is the part of my neighbor. So the good thing about in our neighbor here, you can pass to people's home. Look at this house. No one who's staying here right now. No one. This is the kind of the house that we have in our village here. But soon maybe people came with new technology. Back here we build grass house, like a muddy house, have the grass on the rooftop. People come like the mind blowing up, come with this semi-permanent right now here. And nowadays people build permanent or tall building. I'm telling you. So my mama give me some some work to check the cow within here as we keep going. Actually, I'm going on that land to check our cows and then going straight to the river to show you. Wow. So guys, this is the Muram Road. When you go straight, you're going to Nyabuhansi this way. When you go this way, you're going to my home and then going that way to border town. Man, so let me check the cow right here as we keep explore, you know. So this is a part of my neighbor's land, and when you harvest maize, the remaining stuff from the maize, the cow are still eating until we prepare the run. And right now, it's time to prepare the run. Most of the farmer went to the farm planting maize, planting commodities. And man, let me tell you one thing. Farming is our backbone in our village here. I'm telling you, every place that I'm going, it's farming. Everywhere. You see, guys, our beautiful cow is grazing right now here. Wow. Hey, look at that. You see, guys, they're grazing. And then we have another one right here. So my mama told me go and check the cow whether it's okay. Guys, to be honest, I can't wait to see my Mason reaction taking them to the restaurant. I can't wait, guys. Wow, this is a bull one. You good? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. They are grazing, guys. You know, the good thing about me, I'll show you how many cows that we have, how we do things in our village here. In good way, man. Wow, I love this cow, man. I don't know why this cow, it's growing so big. Say hello. Wow, so they are grazing right here. And then we have another one which my mama milk. You see right here. Hey. Wow, you see how the cow grazing, man, here in our village. And we done tethering rotation. Like we use the peg and rope, we tie to them here. Oh my God, you see the reason why I came here, it's already removed. Look, you see, guys. So that's the reason why my mama told me go and check the cow. Go and check the cow. I think I could tighten them on this side here. So because there's no stuff for like cool. Let me see on this ground. Look, guys, look. I'm telling you, it's something else. When it went to my neighbor's land, it brings problem. So I think I will tighten them here. Even that one, no. So this is a peg and a rope. I'm telling you right here. Oh my God. Sorry guys, just a minute. So I'll put a peg here. And Mama will find that peg right here. So let me tightening them here in a good way. Oh my God. At least here it's better. See guys, the reason why I came here, when I left going to the river, showing you where my mama fetching water over 20 yards, and then unfortunately I found the cow. Like, it's time to leave this place, but I found the cow like pull up the peg. So you see, so that's the reason why when I left I must check the cow. So we keep going this way. Guys, I'm keep rolling these videos for my premiere again. You get. So let me show you how far my mama walked over 20 years going to the river fetching water. You think that, guys, I'm joking, but I'm trying to show you the reality. All my videos, it's roaring right, left, center to show you what I'm doing. Wow. Wherever you are, guys, thank you a million for the love and support that you show me. Thank you a million. I'm honest, trustful, and jovial person. But I'm not perfect in my family, but I'm not perfect all over the world, but I'm keep grinding so hard to chase my dream. Man, I can't wait to see my mom dream house coming in shape. Man, I'm telling you, maybe when I get 1 bag of cement, I appreciate, like, every month is to pay maybe 2 bags of cement. 2 bags of cement. I need to have like 80 bags of cement. 80. Maybe by God's grace, even to have 100 bags, there's no problem. But I need to start with 8 bags of cement. So when I'm starting to build my mom's dream house, it could never stop from the foundation up to the rental. I'll see how things goes. So that's the reason why every day, man, I shall put videos. No matter what, I shall put the videos, put the videos, man. I'm telling you, life is not easy outside here. More so in my village, probably we have the land. People are farming. We have everything. But without money, you are nothing. You can't plant maize without fertilizer. So we need to put everything down. So right now, I'm going to the river. Try to imagine all the way from my home. But I'm not going this way. So I'll go that way. And these videos, it's a kind of a mixture videos. So you will see the part of my mason enjoying to the restaurant, and then you will see the videos which I was taking my sister to school. So actually it's a combination of videos, not a mixture of videos. It's a combination of the videos. You will see. See, guys, look how these trees fall down. Because the roots and tap roots are not strong, it's fall down like me. I'm going to show you, but most of the people scared camera, so I'll talk I personally to show you the river right now. I'm telling you, I'm telling you right now, at this moment. Imagine I'm going to the river to show you guys. Wow. Oh my God. Whew. This is the river which my mama came to fetch water. Imagine, guys, here it's far away from my home, and we have a chlorine dispenser right now here. When you fetch water from there, we need to put like chlorine, like to treat water, treatment of the water. I'm telling you, this is where my mama fetch water over 20 years, since my mama got married, since I was young, since I was born and doing everything. This is where my mama fetch water. I'm telling you. And the good thing about this river, when it's dry season, rain season or wet season, the water remains the way it is. It can serve people from Nyabohanse, from my entire village. I'm telling you guys, the way things it is here. And maybe you think it's a joke. This is where we fetch water. This one that you see here. Even as I talk right now, people are washing clothes on the other side, and then water going like, and at the same time, this is banana plantation here. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for my good subscriber, for my premiere again. You'll get these videos, don't worry. So right now, maybe you get at an exact time or late. So let me check. Did I have my phone? Oh, I left my phone to be charged. But right now I think maybe 5:30 you will get my videos. 5:30 or let me say 6 you will get the videos. So this is where my mama came and fetch water. So right now I did the borehole so it can serve them. Wow, imagine from here. Wow. There's a yam plantation over there. Banana yam plantation. On the other side you have banana plantation. Man, I'm telling you, farming is our backbone here in our village. Wow. So guys, let me go back home and then to meet with my mason. Sawa. Aya. Ah? Hey. Hey. Hey mon. Memory mwere chenku yori. Naeka kwa simu. Like lakini ukiwa na 50 kuna ya 50.
Iraki ya Kenya.
Ai memory ngoni.
Aku akan mukikubeba.
Ai memory ngoni. Yorochi.
Nimeiona
Ini battery.
Aka kako kando ni nini?
Memory.
Hiyo ndo memory.
Alafu
hapa ni charger.
Haya. Sawa. Hizi kufua?
Sasa sio mwambie. Hizi kufua? Hi.
Yes.
We are washing some clothes here.
And shoes. Okay. And you?
It is kufua. It is kuhura.
Kuhura. Sawa. Omari tena huko hapo.
Bwana wikira uri pakangu ni kamera.
Isimu.
Isimu nyane. Sasa baba yangu ni kamera.
Hakuna shida, ni mtandao wa kawaida tu. Kihara beno kiko na FB ama WhatsApp. Hakuna kitu utareta ni kufungulia.
Akimbe.
Unaona vile mko mnafua hapa. Ngiko mnafanya video. Ure wao rataha manchi, hiyo ni video tunajirekodi. Si kitu kingine ngumu. Kwani wale nikirekodi mama akienda shambani. Mimi kuna vitu zingine nafanya. Ni hizo.
Vitu kama ati vikandu vitamibicha. Wanapenda.
Yeah. Guys, they need to open YouTube. But hey. F5. Ununue simu cash. Guys, I came to the river, but on my first vlog passing there, I didn't show them. But when I came, they told me, let me see your camera. And then I need to open YouTube channel. Tell them you need to have a phone. But man, life here, it's so tough. They need to make practice. But most of the people don't believe what I'm doing at my village here. They call me Illuminati, but I'm believing God, what I'm doing. Me, I'm just support my family, you know. Like every month when I make some changes, they call me funny names. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to meet with my mason guys right now. Alright guys, today, actually guys, I'm changing this jacket. So probably it's lighter and black. So I need to spoil my engineer who dig my borehole right now here. So technically I'm taking them to the hotel right now guys as I speak, because it's by God's grace we get water, and I need to surprise them, like taking them to the big restaurant within here. They can enjoy food. I'm telling you man, right now we get water. Maybe by tomorrow just discovered to get bricks, cement, door, wire mesh, steel bar, so we can construct this toilet. No. This bar right now, guys, I'm confused with my toilet. So on today's videos, I'm going to surprise my mason because, or my engineer, because it's by God's grace we get water, and I was working so hard going through my dream. You know what, man? Let me take them to the restaurant. They're around at my home right now. So my baby's just right there. In the morning, guys, I have my green jacket, but I decided to change. Wow. Mama, there is some one here. Yeah. So guys, okay. Twende hoteli mbaremba kuri byakora monkore gasinchi.
Hata sirali toka ge.
Sawa, twende. Aya. Yeah guys, I'm telling them I'm going to buy them food in the restaurant. On my today's videos, that is it. Surprising my mason, man. Okay, Mura, tupitie hapo. Aya, kwa pikipiki. Useni uti mukiri wonchera har.
Bonsi ni sireni mkiata kukurhana.
Tena runyori har.
Nika tu kuya
tunaenda, we are going border town. Arafunti geza ambezi, ronki murora. Aya. Well guys, that's my mason, and I need to surprise them right now, you know, by buying them foods here and there. Actually, both two guys, they done a good job, and I'm doing this free from my heart, and it's my spirit that told me, you know what, surprise them. So they're coming from other side. Wow. And oh, let's go. Wow. So we left home, guys, at this moment. Wow. Up to border town. Guys, please give my video a like, comment, share. In case you're new here, guys, subscribe to my channel. The best way you can support your baby of fish. So by tomorrow morning, my video was to construct or to build my borehole in a good way. Wow. And my driver was my neighbor right there. Wow. Yeah. So we have a sharp corner right here. In here. Yeah. Wow. Heading this way, going straight up to border town. Wow. We fully outside. Wow, heading to border town. within here. Oh, Msubate mabate. So my brother here, her sister married here. So he just told us this is banana. So wow. Yeah, at the far end, guys, KK is coming. Or a tuk-tuk. See right there? Hey! Whoa! We're fully outside. We got our own pace, no pressure. We're on motorbike. Wow. Let's go. Guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's video. It was my very first time to surprise my engineer of the borehole, and I was waiting this day to come, and I will do it from my heart, from the church right there. Wow. My heart told me like, hello baby, do it. But I was actually about it. So right here we have the dump site. I'm telling you. These are dump sites here for Migori County. Imagine they throw rubbish here. During the day it's not smell. Wow. This is a sharp corner here. Look. This is an entry. Wow. We almost to approach the tarmac road. See a nice car coming right there. So guys, we left the Muram road right now. We made the tarmac road. So today is on Monday, and actually guys, it's a combination of the videos. So I will combine the videos which I took my sister to school with a brand new bag, and I was going to Nabuhan, so I tried to escort my sister. You see that part of the video. It's tarmac road. Right here we have the school, hospital, church, which is a Roman Catholic within here. I'm telling you, that's my Roman Catholic church. Here we have another school here, Hispania Boys. Wow. Hey. Telling you, one day that house, I will build that house on my side. That house, it tells you I'm going hard on my dream. Wow. People are beautiful. Oh man, we see on this side here. Wow. Going, man. This guy's the one who dig my borehole. So somebody grazing cows right here. Wow. This side here, we have the shell, putting of the petrol, diesel. I'm telling you, it's a new one. There's water town for you. There's water town for you. Wow. It's the other side. Keep moving forward. Right here we have police posts. People are pulling the motorbike. You make a mistake, you're already gone. I have a big truck ahead of us. We tried to pass this truck right here. Me here. Okay, you go. Anoranyo. Guys, I need to surprise my son, taking them to the restaurant. Hano. Aye. Making friendship. I'm about to remember that. Hey, mon colleague sits here. Yes. Okay. What? Tapanga huyu jamaa na rafiki yake chakula. Ugali na nyama shilingi ngapi? 250. Haya, na upatie soda. Kuna soda kubwa? Ndogo ndogo. Haya utawapatia. Sawa. Hii haifanyi? Okay. They must wash hands here.
Choma iko.
Bado kwa wetu.
Leta hiyo iko.
Haya. Okay. Unajua haongei.
Wewe ongea.
Sasa lazima utumie signs.
Na wewe unakula nini?
Mimi niko sawa.
Kweli.
Labda unipe maji. Niko sawa.
Kunywa juice.
Labda unipe maji. Sasa yes guys, so just pull down here. Hey. Or maybe I would sit here. Higher. As you eat, you watch TV. Right guys, I brought them on this restaurant, and I think my last videos I brought my sister here.
You need best lights. Iko.
Labda plastic sorry.
Leta.
No?
Leta. Anatumia koka huyu.
Okay, no meno agotomera. Sawa. Okay. So that's the soda right there. Okay. Many pe maji na lakini kuni. Wow. Tanya la tankobo. Hey. Takunywa soda. Acha tuntajeke. Guys, may decide to drink water only because in the morning I take heavy breakfast. Wow. This is my drinking water. Dasan. Wow. Guys, we keep waiting the food coming from other side like counter, and then as we keep drinking water. Wow, this is the food. Usati nyama takore.
Nyama nkore ale, ngoko bana tawo.
Niko sawa. So they're enjoying right here. Meat and skuma. Yes. Because guys, he done a good job on my home site, so I decided to spoil them, you know, at this moment. Barabengeru bukima. Ora de kopo tesire. Tongi ongaza ugari. Alright guys, my engineer that keep enjoying eating the food. Maybe here. Wow, right here. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to spoil them right here. Yes, it's time to go guys. So they officially finish eating right here, so we go. I'm telling you guys. Okay, so alright guys, it's time to leave right now here. They have already finished everything within here and went to wash themselves right there. Actually guys, it's by God's grace, man. You know, I'm doing it from my bottom of my heart to spoil them within here, and we shall meet on the next video guys. Guys, it's early morning over here, so we outside, and on today's videos I'm going to escort my sister to school. So right now I left my mama to organize my sister brushing her shoes, and arranging her in a good way. So technically guys, it's bright morning. As you can see how my village looks like very early in the morning. At the same time, we have the birds here, man. We have the birds here. I don't know when I cut these trees all down, where this bird is going to, but probably I have been told these trees are not good around the compound. So actually we're supposed to cut. I don't know when I'm supposed to cut these trees, but soon I'm going to cut all down trees and to create this yard to be very, very good. So guys, let me take you inside and see what my mama she was doing. Wow, this is our mabati gate. Wow. Hey. Mama, morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, say morning.
Morning.
That's my sister with a new bag. I'm telling you guys. Hey. Wow, vai vizuri hivi sasa.
Mama ananibali.
Evo. Mama, she was brushing my sister's shoes right here. Oh. What's up? You good? What can I get with? Cinco members some. See guys, right here we have a small brush. Hey. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm taking my sister to school right now. Wow. Bruno is making noise because my dog didn't want to see the go. Shh. Shh. Ah, stop it. Right here. Wow. This is some activity that I remember doing very early in the morning when it's a weekday, like Monday to Friday, when my sister went to school, you know. Oh guys, let me take you outside first and then to see how our days go. Wow. So guys, on today's videos I have a special and it's a continuation videos. So I supposed to look for the guy who will make this boat here, like literally to buy some materials here, bricks, steel bar, wire mesh. Man, it's a lot. So I need to put all my struggle down and to keep pushing this project here because it's under risk. So I need to cover it. So because right now we have our kids around at the home here, we have my cousin. So and then to avoid, apart from that, to avoid leaves going inside, you see these are leaves here. So we put even a small door on top, and then also the padlock. Wow, right here you have the muram. So it prevents maybe when it's raining, water doesn't come inside here. Those muram that you see around, man, I'm telling you. Wow. So guys, let me take my bike outside and take my sister to school right now because it's quite early morning over here. So guys, stay blessed. We shall meet on the next videos taking my sister to school right now, guys. Guys, right now we left home and actually I'm taking my sister to school right here. So with a new bag, with a new look, smiling. So we're heading this way, guys. So I have already taken my baby outside. Wow. This one is not working here. I need to use the kick. We go straight, guys. I'm telling you, at this moment. Wow. Kids riding the bicycle right there. Wow. That's how we go. We are on the motorbike. That's how we go. Wow. We keep moving. Other kids alongside the road. Wow. I'm driving at my own pace, and guys, I had in the comment section, hello baby, just buy a handle. I'm telling you, I drive at a 10 kilometers. Like my normal speed was 10. You know, so even right here, I'm going slow. Wow. We keep moving quick and fast. My sister reached at the school in good time. See another kids right here. Wow. And today's on Monday, guys. Technically we escort my sister right now. I'm telling you, today it's on Monday. Hiya, bye. With a new bag. Oh. Wow. Let's go. Hey, I'm good, mother. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet you in the next video. Marab. Wow. Anyway, guys, after escorting my sister to school, I'm supposed to come on this construction site to check how the work have been going on, like curing of the pillars. Mason have arrived, so that's my work, to be manager at the same time supervisor. So anyway, guys, come along with me. Morio, nipunguzie ngoma Morio. Wow. Mr. Kwamboka. Yes, these work tools for the masons. Wow. Hey. Come on. Wow.
VP, have you wake up?
I'm wake up right now. Sumwagilie zote.
Zipi? Si tunamwagilia zote tunaenda kufuata maji.
Oh, niwe zinakauka.
Ndio kufuata.
Okay, guys, let me show you where they fetch water at this morning. And I think, guys, the mason on top, but later I'll come and show you. This is how the bus looks like very in the morning, and these are project and all stuff. I don't want to show you guys too much. Hello. Oh. Stakwamboka. We come from other side, going this way. Hey. Wow. This is Nyaban's market. You know, it looks like this at this moment. Wow. If you want to withdraw money from Kibandasko or send money, we use like M-Pesa. You know. Kamu kau rasa ada ni nyoh.
Neta. Pero
Eh? Kita hero ni Kenya. Kita hero ni Kenya sana ke Korea.
Pero que no. Kama tiene que era. Liga.
So guys, I'm going to create my boat to look like this style here, and a small door. Whoa. Hey. Wow. Whew. Man, this morning I'm tired like a goat. I'm telling you, I'm so tired. Korarora kotere.
Yani kenana kukuke. Yani atamungu. Kuna vitu waga naangalia.
Guys, it's time to go. It's time to go. Yes. Come back to there.
Let's go. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Hey. Strongest man in Africa. Karo strong or. Wow. Whoa. Oh guys, I need to go on top. See the work. Hey. Sharpening of the saw. Kwa hivyo kukati kidogo. It's something else. Wow, guys. So actually, I'm going on top to see the work which have been going on there. So the curing of what have been already going on. Wow, you can see right down here. So that's my work to be checked every day. Hey. Another struggle start, guys, to climb here. This ladder. I'm telling you, this is another struggle here. Oh my gosh. Struggling climbing here. Oh my god. Guys, finally this is the work that have been going on here. From work we say goodbye. So right now is to arrange timbers like this, and then on top we put trappers. Wow. Eh. Oh, ile kitu ndio sema itakaa hivyo. Hadi hapo. Hapo. Oh. Naona kitu si strong. Anyway, haijashika sehemu. Songa tu. Sitaki kuathiri maisha yangu. Say hello.
Hello guys. I can see that it's a beautiful morning here in Kenya, Africa. So yeah, we come here to work again on the junior construction site. So guys, I'm Black Mamba.
Let me ask you one thing.
Black customers.
Why do you call yourself Black Mamba?
You can see my image itself describe that I'm black, and I come to discover that I'm the very blackest person in this my village, guy.
Yes, black is beauty.
Black is beauty, but
yes.
I'm proud of my black. So guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Black Mamba. So right here we are in the junior construction site. So we are going to start. We are waiting some tippers in a few moments.
Trappers.
I'm
a timber.
Timber.
Okay.
We want to cross this beam.
Yeah.
This one. And the other side. So
yes.
We are going to prepare ready to be arranged with these frames. Yeah.
Sasa hivi mzee ashakata mbao mabado.
Zimekatwa ndio tunangoja zikuje. Ameenda kuzileta.
Na tuk-tuk.
Maybe. Kwa sababu ameingia hapa asubuhi. Ametoka.
Hey. These are not a jokes, guys. I'm walking here but under risk, guys. Me, I will never walk again there. Maybe inside there. Going.
You can walk here, but with a lot of care.
Here?
You can see I'm walking.
You walk.
You see?
Asa kitu nina nenga hivyo. Eh. Karisikiro mbona uko mbali hivyo?
Amekupatia?
I want to see.
Zimelipwa.
I want to see another mason right there. They are talking to this guy here. Say hello.
Hi. I'm King Charles Krioba. 254.
You said 254.
254.
254.
Yes.
254 is our code number in Kenya here.
Yes.
Yes.
So I'm set now here. This is a tape measure. As you can see, this is a tape measure. This is a hammer. So I'm set here at the junior construction. Just ready, working here.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, guys.
So far we are dealing with timber work. We call it form work. So after all, we finish with trappers. Then we go on with metal work.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, just Krioba. I'm looking for the better place to pass. Me, Maybe opposite. I will never go there, guys. Maybe on this beam here, like that, because this one is strong right now. Here is like that way. Wow, guys. So right now, let's see what's next supposed to be done. Can I see here? Yeah. Okay. There's a pillar here. I'm telling you. At this moment, right now, here, guys, we have the rope running up to die for the strengthening and everything. I have another one there. Where panda?
This is our staircase. Yeah.
There's another guy carrying water here. Boom. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. Wow, guys, so right now I'm heading home after taking my medicine to the restaurant. Actually, I left my bike to be on service in Town. So we go home. Right now, my difference. Wow, look at this place. So I have another rider here. Actually, the guy went with my motorbike, and I left my bike in the service area. Wow, I see a nice cupboard right there. Woo! On the other side, that's where I reach height. I'm telling you. Wow. Maybe. Sour. She didn't put here the gas. Alright, we left that place. Actually, we are fueling the bike within here, so heading this way. Wow. Look at that sun. Wow. Guys, I'm on motorbike. Oh my god. Heading home. Guys, I'm rushing home to take my bike, my phone, and then I want to upload the videos at this moment. Wow. On this side, cutting tacks. Oh. Guys, we left the tarmac. Right now we use this road here. Imagine, guys, going back home, coming border town. At the end of the day, guys, I'm tired like a goat. I'm telling you. So guys, I came to pick my phone right now here. So it's time to upload my video. You know. That being said, wow, I need to close like that way. So anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. So I'll take you to the border town to show you my mountain bike that I was making. So let's go. We're heading this way. And that's about die. Wow, going straight. Imagine guys, from border town I ran back home to take my phone. Right now, just here. So I'll go and show you my work that have been going on. So I want to lift my bike, like to use my mountain bike to exercise every day. Wow. East west, home is the best. This is what I'm calling home. Wow. Land on sale, guys. $800,000 you get the land plus trees here. I'm telling you, there is a day I'm trying to market that land. Let me see the best of 5 who need the land. Woo. Yeah. So guys, we came with this bike here. So this is my bicycle right here. See guys, this one here. I need to wash them, service and everything. You see guys, for exercise guys. Wow. So thank you so much guys. We shall meet on the next video guys.